The first step to working on an electric water heater is always unplug the heater. The second step, take a picture so you remember where the parts go. Then you get working, removing the wires from the upper thermostat. I didn't get any good video of me putting the new thermostat back in because my body was in the way, but you'll see a little better on the lower thermostat coming up here. Here I am taking out the lower thermostat. There's a couple clips on both thermostats that you need to pull back to pop the thermostat up. Pull that out to clip it back down. Hook the wires back up and Bob's your uncle.